just so you know, I now have a microphone. It doesn't seem to make the sound quality any better though. ... But since we did not get to do this in our class on day 3, I made a video. If you care to watch this, please do so. This will not be on our quiz on day 4. But the last congruence theorem is called hypotenuse leg. I am currently on page 21 of the notes packet. Please pause and go to that page. So page 21 says, based on what we have, can I prove these triangles are congruent? And right now they've got 2 sets of sides are congruent and 1 angle is congruent. Okay? And this side links to that side, this side links to that angle. So this would either be side angle or angle side. Some of you prefer angle side. And this does not define the specific triangle, so the answer to that is no. But since these are right triangles, we could use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the missing side. So Pythagorean theorem looks like that. The main thing we need to know is that C has to be the hypotenuse across from the right angle. So I would do 30 squared plus x squared equals 50 squared. And in both triangles, I would get the same answer of 40. And if I knew that, now I know that the triangle is congruent either by side connected to that angle to side, or now I can do side if I was not including that angle. Okay, so this is special. This has to do with right triangles only. Okay, so now I am on page 22. And they have to be right triangles. And they are congruent if the hypotenuse and the leg are congruent to the hypotenuse and the corresponding leg of the other triangle. Okay, so this doesn't show up as much, again, specific to right triangles. So we have to have hypotenuses congruent. One of the legs is congruent to the other triangle's corresponding leg. And the one that people forget is that you have to say that this is a right triangle. After you have done that, you can say that triangles are congruent because of the hypotenuse-leg theorem. So I'm going to go through a proof of that so you can see it. Again, I'm going to repeat that this is not on the quiz, but I'm turning to page 24. So this is page 24, example 7. Okay, and I'm looking at the givens. I see AB is congruent to AC. And then I have to go through a progression if AD is an altitude. I would really like it if you had the single sheet that I gave you with this homework, with this unit, to figure this out. So if you're looking at the single sheet, altitude tells me that 2 lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular tells me that I have right angles. And then if they're both right angles, I can eventually prove that they are congruent. So if I'm following along, AD is this dotted line. If AD is an altitude, I'm going to call these angles 1 and 2. That means that AD is perpendicular to BC. perpendicular forms the right angles 1 and 2, and all right angles are congruent. So I'm going to list out the steps for this. After I've done that, and you have done that, I'd like you to try and pause it and fill in the missing responses. So right now, those would be the statements, okay? Statement 2 to 3 to 4 has to be in that order. Those need to be connected to each other. Technically for this, I don't need to have statement 4, but I think it's good practice. So if you could please pause the video right now and try and figure out what is written there, and then unpause it to see how many you got correct. If you are someone that never pauses it and just tries to write everything down, please do pause this and see if you can write down any of the reasons why. So these are all of my statements. The 3 in blue follow together to get through why those angles are congruent. The green step has to be there. This is the one that we forget about if I'm using hypotenuse leg. Great. So what I've done is in the given, this has told me the hypotenuses are congruent. And it appears that I didn't have a leg that is congruent. Okay, so I think this is good for you to see. I messed this up too. After I've used all the given statements, I need to look for reflexive or vertical angles. I forgot the reflexive step. So somewhere in this, it didn't have to be the 6th step. I needed to say that these two are congruent because it is reflexive. And now this is telling me that I have the legs congruent. Here I said that I have a right triangle. So those are the 3. Hypotenuses are congruent, legs are congruent, right triangle. So now I can finally say these 2 triangles are congruent by hypotenuse left. Hopefully the audio was better. The moral of the story is we need to learn how to do this and be able to handle writing about math. Have a great day.